The second algorithm we're going to look at is called the brute force algorithm. This is going to be the algorithm that we're not going to want to use with anything more than 4 vertices, and that's because it requires us to list all possible Hamilton circuits, which is going to be the first step. So we're going to list all the possible Hamilton circuits, and if you remember, the formula to know how many Hamilton circuits there are is n-1 factorial. So because we have 4 vertices in this particular graph, we're going to use 4 minus 1 factorial, which is equal to 6. So we're going to start to list out all the possible Hamilton circuits. I'm going to start with A, B, C, D, A. Easy to keep track of because it's in alphabetical order. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep A as my starting point, and I'm going to rotate the 3 vertices in between either of the A's. So I was A, B, C, D, A. I'm going to keep A, B, and I'm going to switch the C and the D. So now I have A, B, C, D, A and A, B, D, C, A. Now I'm going to move C into the second place. So I'm keeping A again in the first place, and then C, D, B in the middle. And I'm going to switch those around and do C, B, D, which is the opposite of the one above. Then I'm going to take D and put that into the second spot, and A, D, B, C, A. And then again A, D, C, B, A. So we were looking for 6 circuits, and here are our 6 circuits. The next step is to list each circuit with its calculated weights. So we're going to actually add up how much each of these circuits totals. So for the first one, A to B is 12, B to C is 6, C to D is 4, and D to A is 9. We add that up and we get a total of 31. So the weight of this circuit is going to be 31. We're going to keep adding up these circuits, and we're going to find A, B, D, C, A is equal to 38, and A, C, D, B, A is equal to 38. ACBDA is 37, ADBCA is 37, and ADCBA is 31. So the next step is to select the circuit with the least weight. Well, you're going to notice that these weights come in pairs. We have 2 that equal 31, 2 that equal 37, and 2 that equal 38. What I want you to notice about these pairs, and we'll look at it with the 2 that equal 38, is that they're opposites of one another. This is A, B, D, C, A, and if I run this one backwards, A, B, D, C, A. So it's the same circuit, but going in the forward direction and then going in the backward direction. And that's why you end up with 2 that are the same weights. So we can choose from either of the circuits that equals 31 as our winner. Both of them are correct answers, and both of them will be accepted.